We've all seen the Harveys Jana 401, home of the hot ones, decal, but I have here one of the very ultra rare Harveys Jana 401 decals that has a Maverick on it instead of a 67 Galaxy 500, which I think is what the car was. So now I'm going to place it on my vehicle, which I think is kind of cool. I just have to decide where I'm going to put it. I know. I'll show you in a sec. So in the end, we have this odd Harvey sticker, which is what, 805 the Queensway? Frank's Hideaway, or Hideout I should say, and my very own customized, ultra rare Harvey's decal, Jana 401, home of the hot ones, with a Maverick on it, and not the 1967 Galaxy 500. Though I do like the original Harvey sticker and hold it dear to my heart, I wanted something a little different since, you know, I do have a Comet. So, you know, I kind of put sort of the same thing on it. So this sucker's very rare, but hey, you know, get a hold of me, I'll sell you one. Anyway, see you at the races. Take it easy.